okwayibopha kuzoyikhulula. In the art of war, there's what they call the black card move. So the black card move, it is when an opponent of umuntu or a rival yomuntu is showing great strength, namandla, nokulwa okuyisimanga. Then ilapho ke khona lo ngathi uyadliwa manje aye to the archives noma a source information that seeks to discredit i-rival yakhe. Ngizokwenzela ngeexample oyaziyo. Khona example lasemabhayibhelini oDelilah no bani. But mina ngizokwenzela ngento oyaziyo. Kunosisi ekuthiwa uTamara owakwakhuluma ngevalue. Then there's the black card. So the black card kaTamara was her old account. People went straight to her old account to extract the archives that discredit her for what she stood for now. You understand? So this is the same as what is happening to Ubaba Mkhwanazi, Baba uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Evilness is feeling intimidated by the posture and the position Mkhwanazi is holding. He is gaining popularity, and not just unjustified popularity, but he's gaining credibility, because you can only gain credibility and popularity at the same time if you're actually doing izinto ezinemerit. So one day, it won't make sense why he doesn't become Minister of Police or even hold a higher position than a commission. You understand? So that is where they are projecting to be, just because of what he is consistently doing. Not so long ago, there's a publication at IPID, probing Mkhwanazi for allegedly interfering with senior DCS official arrest. Baba Mkhwanazi has spoken about this for the longest of time. He has disclosed ukuthi I stopped or I interfered with that arrest mainly because i-team yami yayibiziwe kwathiwa hey, there's suspicious activity happening kulo baba's office or his homestead. Ithathwe ke leyo team kaMkhwanazi without the consultation kaMkhwanazi. Mayisifika ke i-team kaMkhwanazi on the crime scene, ifika ibheke indlu upeqululwe ke kwenzakaleni. There is no warrant of arrest. There is nothing officially granting leyo raid yendlu yakhe leya muntu. And on their way out, they found a black bag. Enani etholakala ukuthi nama drugs. Ay zibuyele incingo zingene kuMkhwanazi. Bathi Mkhwanazi, oh nithole ama drugs seniphuma but anatholanga endlini. All right, no, there's no problem. But I wouldn't suggest you guys apprehend, because currently the state is addressing cases against the state for unlawful arrest. And worse, this person is a high profile. And once you do that to a high profile, unlawful arrest is extreme or it's adjusted because of the person's position in the state. And the credibility he is yet to lose if the reputational damage is actually achieved. You understand? It is the same as what is happening with Mkhwanazi manje. Reputational damage yakhe is what is at stake. Why publicize, even gazette, the fact that there is an allegation? That allegation or the publication of the allegation seeks to discredit Mkhwanazi. Mbuyele kule story sakho Mkhwanazi. Bese mina I wouldn't suggest ukuthi aboshwe lo muntu instantly. Follow due processes until you get to a point whereby you have a lawful warrant of arrest. So you can only get a warrant of arrest if you do an investigation and you follow up all and cover all the tick box exercise. And through that case, apprehend lo muntu because we are high profile. And apprehending a high profile It is not easy for a high profile to just leave because he's getting paid highly and his roles and duties are very high. Therefore, ukwazi nje ukuvusane umbophe ngathi ubopha utsotsi echama estradini. So this is where it gets interesting kahle kahle, because they are using that black card to stop yonke enye into azama ukuyenza. So every goal that he's trying to achieve, they are using that black card to stop him. Now ngomunye umuntu zokunika example ayasebhayibhelini. Xolan was apprehending and raiding the drug lords eGoli, eThekwini, South Africa yonke, followed by Major Love, and the people are like, yebo Xolan bangene boy. Then they use one case ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi ngathi kufa umuntu in a crime scene or whatever, and that was the black card they were looking for, because in his archives and history they couldn't find anything. But with this one, and that granted them access to the degrading of a reputation yakhe and bringing him down. Baba angisili kholo namandla, kodwa zangathi senyakholela ukuthi umbuso kaSathane usezweni, and anyone who seeks to stand for the truth will be prosecuted, will be attacked. Asingavumi ke si South Africa ngomkhwanazi. Angithini ngithi nje asingavumi ngomkhwanazi. Okwayibopha kuzoyikhulula.